All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. I want to give you guys current update about Mathias Ezeaku, Gospel of Truth. But I want people to come online. Can we go know the situation reports? Akora able to break any information, to break any news. I can do radio station or TV station. Any news over Tarani, I got what the public. It would news us where they have a mass Jeba Guanyano. Oh, if I want to say, do not rejoice. Everyone negative on Yumbu because a Maho Yoga. You know the reason why I maybe have video this why but now I'm very very sure. Many people not drag Ebuka Obi no arrest. But let me give you the current update and the day Mathias Arr. Mathias Arr there Monday. Either Monday or Tuesday. Either okay, Monday we start home. Either Monday or Tuesday morning. But let me tell you the current update now. Onye mere Mathias arrest boyana bo Akozayon. In all this thing, I have to find out Siana Nimi Obra Akozayon and they Ebuka Obi Adro happy about the arrest. Ebuka Obi Adro happy about the arrest. For those of you now saying Ebuka Obi, Aka Ebuka Obi 1 naira adrona arrest. Come on, no. Oh my God, in the were Ebuka Obi as their father, and the lawyers. When the lawyers who were Ebuka Obi as their father, and the individuals were Ebuka Obi as their father, all how take it upon themselves. When they made this, and since that time, they have refused to pick call from Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and currently now Ebuka Obi go a mandate that na obro na he release him Mathias from now till Monday, then they will stop coming to church. Okay, drop your insult because after this video now I'll be in Abuja shortly to make sure that Mathias Potara. And a lot of people like somebody like Okurora and Igbo all the way from abroad because na Okurora na Akozayon go friend. Okurora will go Akozayon well see man this our relationship ga continue as a brother. Release here Mathias. In as much as na Okurora na Mathias the same belief. But Okurora go mandatory. Yo na talk the relationship to ato see again see release here Mathias. And you don't know onye chaka you go from Frankfurt, Germany. Yo more than when go Abogo Zion as onye mataburu gbogbo see up since in chapter no go onye ji Mathias Ezeaku with due respect. Only have been me disrespect Evangelist Ebuka Obi because Ebuka Obi will release that guy. What Ebuka Obi with a 1 naira for arrest or do who involved in arrest or make way to be able to the arrest everything due to na program upon program upon program. Ebuka Obi ma happen Lagos, Jebe, Abuja happen program. Man, phone, phone, currently now what I say, no release him Mathias from now till Monday. I will put a Zion. That was say Zion. So a lot of people are go and Mathias and tell Mathias Ezeaku. How we could go that Mathias may find about press conference. Press press conference or press relief. So currently now I'll be in Abuja shortly to make sure I will my own contact, which I will not be mentioning his name because everybody I hide is his own contact because you will give all your contacts and the man no affair. Hey, genuine boss, try to poison the heart of your contact. So I am not here to tell you on a phone and them orgasm because I came even before now. Kizz Obi. Just because now people know now if I am involved. How much Mathias Ezeaku if I am on a phone, try to get if I am a number. Try to get capital or a number. Kasidazo where poison the Obi. Jepak Jibruque Queens with Jepak Jibrukanka. So ever since that and I'm on Tagomife, all your branch of the help. Into the ETA can help war. When we got any contact now, I won't disclose it again on social media because minds of people are evil continuously. I may got my own contact, which from here now, shortly I'll be in Abuja. Shortly. To make sure that Mathias, because many people will feel that Jepak and one, but I didn't move from Urangoli because Oboro Namadi Kuroku no Kage to Enga. Mathias Kuroku on the 2 I ain't just so, but I believe now only on your Kujoro. Now I said Ayokubiko. Mathias Ayokubiko, you guys will see the video shortly. Video of Mathias Ezeaku about a preach for love and peace and unity. The video will be spread any moment from Monday. I'm not coming to meet you. Any moment starting from Monday. Mathias I post a video. Here they could have let peace take place. What if AG or Gonambeje? I got a Guna 19 okay. Mazen and the Kano, no name. I look at the Baba, and I talk about Wanyanga. I don't think no here the wise. So Akuzayon get release Mathias any moment from now. Highest Monday. I'm never okay. Who's a Lagos? Tiwara at the bottom plate. Any moment from now, Monday. Unless because Akuzayon actually say Ibu is Zionist. But as long as Akuzayon Kaya Abuko is Zionist, all that from Evangelist Ebuka Obi, now release here Mathias. Ebuka Obi Nekuna, no one else also who say happen Mathias. Now let nobody fight for him. No one going to fight for him. No Chineke fight today. So I want to let you guys know that even Mbana made statement AIG na Juka Evangelist Ebuka Obi made statement. And I'm going to Ebuka Obi. The first day Evangelist Ebuka Obi goes to Facebook na the police be arrest. That day Kobe drop over a phone to do your care the Nefa. But before I got to care the Nefa, Mathias Abaguru na Abuja. So Ebuka Obi or because say hapore ogo. Say ano zere ne ogo. No he say mba unu. Currently Ebuka Obi si do say ano zere ne ogo. No onye nwe gbare ogo bụ Jehovah. Oye for se ka ngwa unu. Oye gwara Akuzayon say abiko ya ano zere ne ogo. Onwe ya chọrọ ikwu against him nyakwube. No onye na-agbare ogo bụ Jehovah. Also Chineke ka ọ dịrị ịmana na ya nwa abụ fake or abụrụ fake. All Chineke ka ọ dịrị Georgia. All Chineke ka ọ dịrị punish onye ọbụla na-ekwu against him. So Ebuka Obi akatogo wee kwuo si anụzere na ọgụ ọbụla. Onwegoro onye kpọrọ ebe allegation si anụzere na ọgụ. Let God fight for him. So unless na Akuzayon ama abụzi Zionist. Unless na Akuzayon ama abụzi onye Zion. Now, because that is order from Ebuka Obi. Ever since no notice no Akuzayon be made arrest. No one Akuzayon they release he Mathias that he should cease from becoming a member of Zion from now till Monday. So I'll be in Abuja shortly to make sure Mathias Arr there, because we are all one. I ain't a Igbo. In the party ISF, the investment and the development and achieve the Southeast. Kekwandi ya no kwana de hena. All one day Igbo kwa. All for them mando men and mandoka. But if you want to hear for Zabu, Hebrew Yoka, Pare Wabu. Hebrew Yomenana, Pare Wabu. Hebrew Yoka, preach share love, peace, and unity. Preach share undiluted word of God. Preach share Christ. And I want to pass this information to you people. Evangelist Ebuka Obi but I matter that's na problem okay very soon. Was in days now. Now problem okay very soon go members of the church. Yes. Members of the church. Who go say about the Ebuka Zion. Who na about Ebuka Obi ogu. Happen who na say no ogu. Let God fight for Ebuka Obi. About the Ebuka Zion, mother na boy at times I just say either boy you're not preaching Christ. You are making people in Israel I believe on your own. To believe that na will be a boy that na is like whatever anybody speak against man of God, halfway where somebody put against Elijah in the Bible. Elijah did not fight. Elijah bere agusuni mo yama bata megene biari yo nya hanaya ekuto eni. O wode mbe nde na-eso ụzọ ma ọ bụ ndị church here bịara bịa no serve the person of all the person na aha bụ a prophet ka ọ dịrị ikpe ekpere si Chineke gbara m ọgụ. So the thing they way Ebuka Obi iwe because na that one day anya m fure ka nje mmadụ Ebuka Obi enwe ihe o ji phone eme ọ makwughị ebe phone na na na-ewetere phone ewetere. So the news na-ewe iwe also na etu ndị members si agbara ya ọgụ na-ewe iwe and ọgụ ha na-agba na anụ ọgụ everywhere na social media na ọ na-eme afọ anyanwa na onye gara akpọ bụ Ebuka Obi Zion. I know some people might not like this my message, but if you have about update, I can drop all. So very soon, shortly, I'll be with Zion to make sure na Mathias Arr there. In no reason or no account, according to evangelists, that Mathias will be released immediately, unless now na Mathias say they release it, right? They only have G Mathias that he will face that person. So because all you want to kutoka made here Christmas. Another lesson on this thing here December. You know kutoka made. Or less nature na sell where Christmas. There are many contents and there are many things and there are about you all know good. Our leader, our supreme leader Mazana de Kano, this is the best time for every blogger. All those people can listen to the watch here. I don't talk about native doctor again because about my problem mobile government. You got that? Ndo ka abro my problem. Native doctors are not my problem. Onye me for job personally. Onye community here evil personally, individually. You treat here for onya accordingly. Hello? Mba me too or back on the traffic. Mba 7 o'clock, okay. Okay. So if they go all these people are not our problem. Oga bu here I and bring feet obi mbawa ni tiaka na obi that na mazen na de kan no kwa n'ime detention we ba Christmas. Hey Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oga bi fe nwute And if you take a Obi, that Namaz and Nanaka no Panime detention by Christmas. So this energy Nina and a shower, Hondoka, shower, Hondomana, shower everywhere. They do so the energy, whatever the energy. Kuwezi who can't come on, Mazaya, but because if you get anybody, they get out of town, because it's ready. Somebody like me, boy, I'm like on a Christmas. But those who have what I wasn't actually on a Christmas because security had the rock. And didn't put the security had the rock because of nature and the cano. I believe that this is at least I'm going to number the cano release 4 times in a month before this year. Let everybody do so. Churches are not our problem, and they can never be our problem. Problem. The people want the Naka to develop Obodo, government. Come to Lagos now, you see how Lagos is fast developing. About the whole Nigeria, only churches carry Lagos, all Lagos headquarters. Man, today, one day I will go to the rail station and snap video. Careful, now if metro station Lagos gets to roche from my 2 to Lagos Island. That's in Dubai. Or the good at Lagos now. Yoruba people, they catch their country. They catch Obodo. Go to Oshodi, you see how Oshodi is very beautiful. Come to Oshodi in the night. If former governor of Lagos State, if you are road there. No government need those Obodo. Go to Abulegba, Nabane. Just go to Abulegba, Nabane, and see how beautiful Abulegba is. Come to Lagos Island. Lagos, they develop their place. Where they go allocation, they develop their land. Churches and the men are not the problem of Obodo. Go to Abia State now. If we hear less voting around Abia State, these are the if governor ya Obodo. And with that location there, and where landmark about a landmark, baby, yaga raru. Everything are the under government. Government without nobody, as well as nobody near compensation. When I come up, walk by yard, people that want to build skyscraper will come and build skyscraper. People want to build a house estate. And where pattern? Everybody have right to worship their own God. If you want to worship stone, worship stone. You don't tell anybody that is worshiping stone that a stone on their worship. I don't know. A man or stone now go nearly. If I hide against Nani Bobo evil. Evil be hide against. But all your men and your boy you can war. No man and I had no man and I have number 1. All your cast number no kayade, no kayabo number 1. Before I hear them in 5 years' time, they went for about religious crisis. Within ourselves. I never fight to go Boko Haram. Today, Boko Haram is not in our town. I never fight to go against terrorists and the herdsmen in our land. They are no more in our land. For people that dwell in our land today are Igbo people. All one Igbo, they kidnap only Igbo. Only Igbo, they go only Igbo. Only Igbo, they demand the ransom to only Igbo. All these things are Menana. All these things are Oka. It is the duty of government to regulate everything, movement. There is security, where CCTV. If not, then that's not the guy will be released. All these things are going to be because believe. Here not the kind of believe, brick and believe. Don't use your religion to dupe people or to scam people. If you be pastor, pastor well. If you be bishop, bishop well. If you be reverend, reverend well. If you be archbishop, archbishop well. If you be prophet, prophet well. If you be Dibia, Dibia well. So many people they put on Dibia because that the name called Dibia. That Dibia, otherwise known as doctor. It was a surgical doctor. Doctor for eye, oculist, and dentist. Veterinary doctor. All guys were Dibia in different angle. It was Dibia that way in you. We give Dibia Aguara. Like man pass man or leave it. Now one dara. Oh, you specialize now one dara. Yeah, the man said, I want to go. Number one, with any more have one dara. That's no money on there. Because I have a guy here, have a And we're deep in our for when even any problem. Kawai to him. You know, with many branches of Dibia. Because their name is Dibia, people might be seeing them as evil. Unless God opportunity goes your way and introduce the issue. Then you speak against that one, particularly, individually, not generalizing everybody. I am not particularly happy about the arrest, but on my own capacity and my own effort, and also make sure, even Abuwo Kotiwaraki, Mathias mere arrest, mere one be arrest. The same Abuwa contribute immensely for the release of Mathias. But also say Kuna. Say hi, the area update. See Kuna. Hey, everywhere locked up. Mathias, that's Abuwa Kotiwaraki. Mathias mere arrest, mere one be arrest. Abuwa told you about 2.something million to release the area and one be Arosiego. The same Abuwa with the Parego. With the Parego now, Yobiko. That's no never Mathias mere before, mere one be before. No matter your 1 naira. Call Mathias on phone and confirm. What about the Kebezu? Effort I call cut name. Somebody the baggage. When I was a Tiziego, say happen Mathias. Na happen no believe no learn a lesson there. Alpha. Well I back with Allah. So them back with it. So that is the update now. So we wait for press release, and their lawyer will come tomorrow by 1 o'clock afternoon. And one day, the Okura and Igbo, Mahanya Dons, Mahakoko, all of them, they tried so much. Everybody but the content now, and the Yamuama de Bugana Mathias, Anguoni, that na. Most never, but I'm not mind the business here. That is what he said, and the agreement, and the Ihakokoratara. Mathias, you put that no, but I'm not mind the business here. I'm gonna say, go ahead and preach your man to people, but don't insult anybody again. And he agreed. So, at the day I'll go tomorrow. Either tomorrow, I'm up there. He might come out on Monday or Tuesday. So that is it. That is all I want to say. So keep your insult. If I Christmas can, but don't go and use your hand. To your work na December, 25 December. If I don't get a bunch of for operation in Chico now, everybody na Chico. I didn't bossa. Whatever you are not doing before, you amend yourself. You cannot be evil from January to December. Pick up a date and time. You know, you mean there yourself. Everyone do amend. Every time I'm on war. It was all this way, and they remember advert. When I was someone they call, I want anybody out because I know how much I'm making in advert. For somebody to come in advert today, you keep 500,000, 400,000 as the case may be. So will I be seeing that kind of money? Then I call nobody out. I don't have that kind of time. I don't go. My boy obiam, my boy obiam. They remember they call about mother when I call. Come my boy, I knew who come my boy. I don't know. Hey, book them gallon. Buy 10,000 a gallon. So how do I find the star? Stop one ATM. 10,000. Yes. Nah. Yeah. Hey, Jesus Christ! Every day, for 10,000 na jail. Just go we walk. Never joke on na me with talk. So even the Ogasimio Mbana Machina. I've never in my code. I don't know any cardinal. Even the lawyer yada tomorrow confirm that na first lawyer but na fuck up because na the agreement have an agreement that na he should maintain and stick on his own religion.
How much?
10,000. Put press 20,000. Put 10 for gallon. Put 10 for what?
Current or savings?
Savings. So now all you gonna maintain our own way business here. If I Christmas, you can have a nap on mother on when time. Maybe I put on 500,000. Promote your business somebody. When I get them, they want to run on. So currently now, Mathias here make video. Mathias here, go make video. Yeah, the documentary. Yeah, documentary called documented. I don't know. But now documentary can happen. Okay, make video. That's now. The video will the title of the video gabu Biri can Biri.
I go wait till you
But you don't the boot.
I go wait till you I don't post them at
thank you, they will put that for them.
Okay, so that's
Yes. So Biri can Biri, if a name is now. Okay, my video. And currently now, one of my Mathias yourself. Condition yourself now, it will come away because all you are so much. All you go. Now, Oma, again. Not sure you made a video. Oh, you made a video. But whatever they go say, go out and preach love. Omenana for love. Yeah, Kiri. Ikiri. What can happen? More than that, not Oka. But some mama here is very stupid. Come on, make sure I come in like then it's the one that more than go. One time I happen to I call is be. I'm not sure about hit him. Or talking about getting more than go. My happen one day in Macadogua to rock was swung on Lagos. Bob and I told you, Kumara, they knew. Never bought one to get up, who memozo, who muzzle test. Or better went out on Yagaka to my reputation in a kick. Nonsense. So, so because all you when you were there, we were in there. Mathias Yabata Sunday, Monday or Tuesday, fairly. Obviously, I fell or then Akozion will have to contend with Ebuka Obi. Yes. Ebuka Obi actually won no but Mathias Napta for not a Sunday, Monday. Then Yama was say Ebuka Obi. The okay face is Akozion squarely because Ebuka Obi went watch their way. Also, here we and they couldn't internet abona. No when him watch their way. When him watch sign. See me the arrest. Omakudi na name arrest. That very Sunday, Eburu Mathias. That very Sunday, Eburu Mathias. Kanya wana kuweku na wana phone they pick he call we. Imono. O wele ndede ka. For example, etu ekuto obi kubana na kata. O wele yesi pari obi kubana. O wende boys here they yes boys here. Africa na pari kubana. Ha wele ke goro the case. Sina azumegi ihe ojo asuna kubana belegi ihe ojo. But we just pari money. Somebody is now so maybe arrest because they are pari okay. So you talk a case as we right now. So but na onya pari say happy. Not chineke we be not chineke begini not chineke wo So because a form reason why you ever Ebuka Obi topic now this end of the year. Our topic should be releasing Nnamdi Kanu for us. That young man and go overdue. That young man and go overdue. See release the I am as Nnamdi Kanu. Period. Don't ever rejoice for somebody's current predicament. Because I'm going to give you what they room, but what do I get to the man call himself? Which was a you know. So that is it. Look at him, the man. Mathias Ezeaku go do my video. Okay, my video of apology and the video because he had a good the evening. If you may arrest bona na agwara Mathias I would take phone we no way phone am ni mafia. Ya na je would take phone bia Mathias na de maybe celebration. Obeche that was here would say the phone. According to the police officer and the CCTV camera, now Mathias je with the phone zone moto without knowing that na camera for her and the police for her. I just say, why are you hiding that phone? Why the Oga say he will take the phone? He just not hiding the moto. Why are you hiding the phone? How can you Mathias is a bad problem? If not, he wouldn't have been rearrested. No, come back, because the agency back now to wing or that him implicate by he with a phone, phone. So police now suspect to know to go when he hear job, then a phone so. How we have a problem Mathias not the message. But thank God for concerned people of Ndibo. Okuro and Ndibo, Ogobo, Bogarepa, and you don't know Bogarepa, a walk on our bo. You got a teacher may go. A lot of people. I my own contacts. So, but if you don't have social media, now they boy, no. Because now updates get us and I hide this update, I hide. Even the updates now, people Mara if Bamba. He said I was just spoil where he on. So, contact of Ranjika was in now, was he again? And I made a post on Facebook. Because everything happens on Facebook. He only post on that. Hey, this is my boss. Before you marry even the phone, you just wear a phone. Spoil all your name, buy money. So everybody is putting effort to make sure that the Mathias is out and social media. Because you're going to account on Facebook should pedal low. I focus. I about here about distraction. All the same about distraction. I will jail our ball. I about our goal to release him Nnamdi Kanu. Or if I need it, and nothing more. Thank you very much. God bless you all.